How to fix Facebook Creator Studio. In this video, we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage. On storage now, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK. And now, what's the last things you need to do? You have to go and restart your phone. After this, you will find that your problem has been solved. So, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.